Hello there. If you're trying to create some killer real estate ads, as in the example, this app is going to be amazing for you. AdCreative AI uses artificial intelligence to generate conversions. Focus ad creatives in a matter of seconds. So these creatives that you're seeing took me 2 to 3 seconds to generate, so let's go ahead and create them from the beginning and use that creative AI. The very first thing that you need is to create a brand. Creator brand is very simple. Your brand name, your brand logo, we select the colors perfectly for you. If of course you want, you can go ahead and change them, then you write your brand description and select your brand type, which is going to be real estate. In this example, I will go ahead and create Remax as a brand, so let's go ahead and create. Let's click on the generate button, and then add creatives, and using AdCreative AI, we are going to be generating conversion focus on ad creatives using artificial intelligence, so AdCreative AI covers all the social media and display sizes, so no matter if you're going to advertise on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, or whatever the social media platform is, we cover all of that. If you're advertising on Google display ads, we cover all of that. Crypto tits, whatever the platform that you're advertising on display or not, again, we cover all those sizes as well. So in this example, let's run with squares ISO post size, which we are going to be advertising on Instagram. So the project description is basically where you write more about the flat, because in this one we are going to be selling a flat. So for this, I just went to Zillow. I have absolutely no connection with these people. This is just as an example, so welcome to Hamilton, so this is amazing. Let's go with something like this, so that's going to be my project description, as this is exactly what I'm selling, as simple as that, and the target audience, let's say, home buyers, okay? So as simple as that, you don't have to go more complicated than that, and if you're selling in English, it's beautiful. If you're going for another language, could be Spanish, could be any other language, French, etc., there's a text AI button, so in this example, I'm going to use English, so we are going to be using artificial intelligence again to even help you with the headlines and descriptions on top of the images, so stylish. Living in the Hamilton apartment 708, that looks pretty good. Get the space unit at the Hamilton if I want to change that, because I'm not super happy more than living at the Hamilton, that looks good. Explore now as a call to action. I didn't like that. Beyond now, let's go with fill at home, which looks super good. So right now I'm pretty much done with the text part of my creative. The next step is the creative. So if you're a Remax and if you have 100 different listings to sell, what you can do is that you can get photos of 100 of your listings. You can actually drag and drop up to 100 here, and for each one of them we are going to using AI to generate ad creative. So if you have a lot of listings, a lot of, like, let's say a product catalog, the second option is perfect for you. But in this example, let's go simple. By the way, whenever you want, you can click that how does it work button so that I can show you in a video how to generate the several background images are gonna that works for you. So let's go with the first one to keep it simple. On this example I already have, you can go ahead and select basic images, but basically what I've done is that I OLED event ahead and downloaded that image just to show you an example. So if I want to crop it, I can crop it just slightly. If I don't want, I can also go with the original size, and I'm pretty much done. So the Hamilton 708 is as simple as that. The moment that I click on generate ad, Creative AI knows about my brand colors, the size that I want, the project description, everything about the listing and the flight that I'm selling, the buyers, the text, pretty much everything. I have all this knowledge, and usually in just a couple of seconds, AdCreative AI is going to go ahead and generate all this conversion. Focus ad creators, it's conversion focus. These creatives are going to get more engagement, these creatives are going to get a higher click rate, and these creators are going to bring you more leads, so that's pretty much what AdCreative AI does for you. So let's go ahead. As you can see, the more I scroll, the more AdCreative AI is going to go ahead and generate more and more creatives. Keep in mind that on top of generating ad creatives, AdCreative AI also goes ahead and tells you that, hey look, I created for you like 100 different ad creatives. That all being said, I know that creatives are something still personal and something still based on the feeling. So I'm scoring it for you by saying that these ones are gonna perform the best. That being said, go download one you like, because there are different designs. So if I like this one, which for me is amazing, I use one of my credits, and basically, you're gonna see that the moment that I click on it, that creative in a pixel perfect format comes to me. Basically, watermarks of AdCreative AI or any other thing, this is ready to go and advertise. So let's continue clearly right now. In these days, if you're creating Facebook ads or Instagram ads, Google Performance Max, whatever you're advertising on, the more creatives you give to the platform, the better the results, which is basically another big value proposition of AdCreative AI, since for this product you've already generated over 100 to 120 ad creatives. Go download the ones you like. Each one of them is 1 credit. Go ahead and give it to the platform. The platform is going to advertise them all. Find the best platforming creative and keep pushing that one. For example, if I like this one, another 1 credit, and you're going to see that again, it's gonna give that to be in high resolution format. Let's continue. I like this one as well. Let's get that one too. Up there, I kind of like that creative too. So let's get that one too, and let's see if there is anything else that here that I like. All of these are looking good. Clearly, I should go with some similar, not similar looking ones, because maybe my audience is actually gonna really love that one, or my oldest is gonna love this one. So as you can see, in just a couple of seconds I downloaded several different creatives and I'm good to go. And one of the best things about AdCreative AI is that let's scroll a bit, let's say that this creator looks really good, right? So you use one of your credits that gives you high resolution of that creative. Let's go back on top of what you can do is in one single button render this image in other sizes. You're gonna see that the same creative, we are gonna also turn them into different formats. So if you're planning to do Instagram post ads and also stories in one, think we can give you the same creative in the story format, or Pinterest format, or LinkedIn or Twitter, wherever you're advertising or wherever you are trying to communicate. So AdCreative is all about trying to save you time and in the meantime trying to give you more leads, more conversions. So ideally make you more money as well. And lastly, clearly if you're going to be advertising, creatives are the biggest part of it, clearly the most important part of it. But on top of that you can also go ahead and use our text projects feature. So text project feature is very similar to the greatest, but you're generating text. So let's go ahead. I think for a product license like this, listicle is amazing. Let's say professional, and Remax is our brand name, and let's copy paste that text that we have buy your first home, as simple as that. So let's go Hamilton 708. So when I generate, you're gonna see that it's gonna be generating for me conversion focus addicts as well. It's time to buy your first zombie product of the apartment species and functional 2-bedroom gorgeous open floor plan. Buy your first home today. Visit Remax for more information. If you're happy with that, which, by the way, is perfect for high conversion rates, you can directly copy and go to Facebook and provide this. You can also provide that so it can taste different ones. If you want to change anything, click on edit and make any edits that you want here as well. So that's pretty much how AdCreative AI saves you time while bringing you more money, more results, and more leads, whatever your goal is. So if you're a real estate business or a real estate agent and you're trying to buy or sell some listings, AdCreative AI is definitely the perfect solution for you. Right now, we have over a couple thousand real estate agents and agencies already using AdCreative AI and giving us amazing reviews. So go ahead and become the next epic client. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'm going to be answering all of them. Thank you.